SafeFix Plus is the perfect choice for parents with children aged approximately 9 months to 4 years, 9 to 18 kilograms, who have ISOFIX connectors in their car and want the safest option available for their child. The ISOFIX system eliminates chances of an error during installation, anchoring the seat directly to the car's ISOFIX connection points. Indicators confirm that the ISOFIX catch arm hooks are properly engaged. The SafeFix Plus also has a patented, unique ISOFIX pivot link system, which further reduces the child's forward movement within the seat in the event of an accident. Additional safety features include performance chest pads for additional energy absorption in an accident, supporting foot prop, and deep, softly padded side wings to offer complete side impact protection. To make it easy to get your child in and out of the seat, the harness straps are conveniently stowed away in their harness retainers and the buckle stays in the forward position. The height-adjustable headrest and 5-point safety harness is easily adjusted from the front with one hand. The seat also has 4 recline positions and can be installed with a 3-point seat belt if you don't have ISOFIX in your car. For additional safety and ease of use, the SafeFix Plus has a softly padded and washable, quick-remove seat cover, which eliminates the need for you to dismantle the harness when removing the seat cover. The SafeFix Plus, independently recognized by consumer test organizations across Europe.